Hello friends, let's talk of two examples which I can share, which will help you maximizing the home values through strategic renovation when you want to sell your home. So in this video, I talk about 4 key renovations that will bring the most returns on your investment in your lived-in home. First, painting with new neutrals, upgrading the light fixtures, refreshing the landscaping, and fourth is renovating the kitchen. So let's talk about painting the home with brand new neutrals, a very cost-effective way to freshen up an entire home's look. Neutral colors always create a clean and timeless aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of potential buyers. It also provides them a blank canvas where they can envision their own style. Upgrading light fixtures. What does that do? Upgrading light fixtures can significantly enhance the overall look and feel of a home. It seems cozy and warm. Modern and stylish fixtures create a more inviting atmosphere and set the right mood in each room. Consider changing them into LED, energy-efficient bulbs, and it will really save the cost of electricity. Curb appeal is very expensive when someone enters your house. It is just that first 15 seconds, and if there is inviting landscaping, just trimming the shrubs, planting some fresh flowers, and adding mulch, few stones for decoration, will consolidate that first impression and make the property lot more attractive even for photos. Big ticket item, which is the fourth one, kitchen. Kitchen is a key area that potential buyer focuses on. Renovating the kitchen can significantly increase a home's value. Updating cabinets, appliances, and countertops can enhance functionality and aesthetic, making it a selling point for buyers. Let's talk about return of investment a little bit, okay? So when you are considering renovations, focus on those that provide the best return on your investment. Painting with new neutrals, upgrading the light fixtures, refreshing the landscaping, and renovating the kitchen consistently ranks for a decade or more on the top renovation that yields a highest return on investment. 400K home for 60 days long without renovation can sell for 400, but 430K for within 5 days if they have done some renovations. So think about it. These are the example. It can bring you quicker sale with the photo image. With the photo good image and good pictures, it will attract more buyers to come and visit your property. What does that mean? You will get multiple offers. You will get to choose who you want to take it as your prospective buyers. So these are all win-win choices for you, your realtor, and the buyers coming in. They don't have to spend any more money. Its house is ready. It looks like a model. What more do they want? And this has been proven. I've done it, and I now don't even take listing unless they want to listen to do minimum these 4 things, because I want to sell their home, so they have to stop making their mortgage payment. It's a gain for them, and if it sells quicker, faster, they will liquidate their money faster. So for whatever their prospect, is in the future, they can liquidate their investment and do whatever else they want to do with that money. Guys, I hope this has helped you a lot. And if you want more questions, there are a lot more items which can fetch you more money if you do it. But if these 4 are essential, don't stop at this 4 if you have the money to make it look like a model. Thank you and see you next week.